Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toyden online class. Today, we want to look at how to find the zeros of polynomials. Zeros of polynomials. We can use factor theorem to solve polynomial equations if we can factorize the polynomial. That is, let's look at this first example. The question states that we should find the zeros of this polynomial. What is the polynomial? P of x, which is defined as x squared minus 5x plus 6. This is a function. So what we can only do here is that we factorize. If we can factorize this expression, for us to be able to find the zeros of the polynomial, we equate this polynomial to be equal to 0 in order to find the zeros of the polynomial. That is what we do in polynomial. That is, we say that equate p of x to be equal to 0, so that x squared minus 5x plus 6 can be equal to 0. Then can we factorize this? 6, yes. This will be x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Then we do the grouping. X is common in the first bracket. We have x minus 3. Then minus 2 is common in the second bracket. We have x minus 3 to be equal to 0. So from here now, we say x minus 2. We combine this and this. Then into bracket, we pick on one of the ones in the circle. In the bracket, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. So x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or 3. So in this case now, we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. And the only way to do that is to solve. The only way to handle this type of problem is that we equate the polynomial to be equal to 0. In order to find the zeros of the polynomial, we now conclude that the zeros of the polynomial p of x are 2 and 3, and that's what we are asked to find. So for us to find the zeros of polynomial, we equate that polynomial to be equal to 0. Thank you.